So literally I was taking a nap, an amazing nap, and then I got woken up by one of the bus helpers saying, hey, we're switching buses, get ready, get off. So this is travel. Welcome to traveling the world.
Good morning, all the way from Istanbul, and today we are going to be taking a bus, a long 9-hour bus ride from Istanbul all the way to Selçuk, Turkey. And this is another huge city, or a city that's very popular here in Turkey. So let's see if the bus is comfortable for a 9-hour journey and what do we get. But let's just take a moment. Like, look how beautiful the blue mosque is behind me, and then Hagia Sophia, like, just so beautiful. So major key, when you come to Istanbul, make sure you get up at 5:30 in the morning, because it's 5:55 and there's no one out here right now. Like,
so I made it on the bus. Honestly did not know if this was my bus. Was just wondering, I was just walking around with my ticket, asking people, and then finally someone was like, this is your bus. And the next person was like, this is your bus. So when you're coming to Istanbul and you're taking a bus, like, if you don't speak the language, just ask people like which one's your bus, because you don't want to miss it. Like, there's nothing on this bus saying that this was my bus. So on the new bus, definitely got some ice cream. Yeah. Cup holders, armrests, and the seats are pretty stylish actually, and comfortable. A lot of space. You can either get the one-seater or two-seaters. So I got these earphones on Turkish Airlines. This is the special jack that you need. So when you're flying Turkish Airways, keep the earphones or ask for them. So the monitor's working now. So when you first get on this bus, the language is going to be in Turkish, obviously. So just click on it, and you got Turkish, English, Spanish. So, you know, couldn't pick English. You can watch movies, The Hunger Games, you can listen to music. There's games for all your kids. You got Angry Birds. There's internet. There's television. Cartoon Network, Fox. So honestly, if you're traveling on this bus, you're gonna be good to go with entertainment, or you can just take a long nap, I don't know. So literally I was taking a nap, an amazing nap, and then I got woken up by one of the bus helpers saying, hey, we're switching buses, get ready, get off. So this is travel. Welcome to traveling the world. And then literally when I was sleeping, the guy woke me up, and he had on his phone, like, from Turkish to English translated, like, hey, we're getting off the bus. So it's like, wow. Yeah, they just keep the snacks coming for this 8.5-hour bus ride. Okay, now this bus has a monitor too, but it's definitely in Turkish, and I don't know how to change it to anything else. Okay, there we go. So we got TV, movie, music, photos. All right, the other bus had better entertainment. So we just stopped for a 20-minute break right here at this I guess pit stop. I got some coffee and I got some gum. So restroom break, get some food. And the guy was so nice again with the bus company. He literally translated on his phone on Google Translator saying, hey, this is a 20-minute stop. Make sure, you know, you go to the restroom, get something to eat, and then get back on the bus. Like, can't say nothing enough. Like, this place is good. So I finally made it here. Honestly, best bus service ever. Seats were comfortable, entertainment, snacks. I got snacks like 4 or 5 times, and the bus like helpers, or the bus people that were helping, honestly, he told me right whenever my stop was coming up and was like, hey, where's your luggage at? And then boom, I got off. So should you take the bus while you're here in Turkey? Yes, you should.